Hello everyone and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today I have an unboxing for you, and this is a legitimate unboxing. It has not yet been opened, and it is from Hal Leonard and from Flight Ukuleles. So if you don't know, I've been working with Flight a little bit, and they have sent me a couple ukuleles in thanks for the work that I've been doing with them. I'm not an employee, but I do really like the company and the things that it's doing, both in terms of its own progress and its own designs, but also in how it's helping out artists and how it reaches out on social media. It's really cool. Opening up the box. That was shipped. I live in Wisconsin, just over the border from Minnesota where I teach. So Hal Leonard they've got a lot of offices in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, but they were originally from Winona, Minnesota, so that's where still the distribution is. So here is the packing little things. Those, by the way, are always nice to hold around because they don't make a huge mess later. And Flight Spirit Electroacoustic. And this is not your average unboxing of a $30 ukulele. Unit price $549.99, I think is what that says. I'm not wearing my glasses. Glasses just cause me all sorts of issues with the glare. So here it is. I'm going to pull it out now. There's another slip of paper underneath this. I want to see what this one says. Can't quite reach it. Just a blank piece of paper. So here is the Flight Spirit in its box. Has the nice little Flight logo with the ukulele on it. Open that up. Model Spirit Concert. Now actually this is kind of fun to see because, and again, you get the Flight booklet just like with the TUSL 35. You get a sheet of stickers, which are nice. I've got some of mine on my ukulele drawers. I've got one of those plastic set of drawers where I keep strings and tools and all that. But this is the Flight bag, and it's really hard to get a sense of what this bag looks like online for some reason. When I've seen videos of it, it's really hard to tell. But it's nicely padded. It's as nice as the KoAloha bags, is what I'll say right off the bat. Front pocket's a little smaller, but you get the nice Flight logo on there. And now we're just going to open up and see what it's like. So, really nice lining. That's better than the KoAloha bags. I'm trying to think. The Martin bag isn't this nice. This may be the nicest gig bag I've seen, and I'm not just saying that. This is really nice. So that's pretty nice. That's nice. So here is the ukulele. It's a concert, which is my scale, and this is one of the things that really drew me to it. That headstock is amazing. It's narrow. It's really cool looking. Ebony fretboard, and here's the body. Check it out. Solid acacia. Look at how beautiful that is. Pull-through bridge. You've got the abalone rosette right there. You've got the cutaway there, which isn't like in your face. You've got the pickup. Can't believe that it comes with a pickup. Kind of a cool sound hole. We don't really talk about that. And I will have to put a second strap button in here. Also, if you notice, the body is high gloss. The neck is not. So there's always that talk about ukulele players who don't want a gloss neck. They've listened to that. And then I believe something, I was just watching the Southern Ukulele Store review of this instrument, and something about the ebony being a repurposed ebony, but and as he said, it looks great. And you've got the little markers there, and you've got slight markers on the side. That sound hole, side sound hole, is really cool. This is really quite the stunning instrument. And it's not even that far out of tune. Let's tune a little more. more. I actually have a tuner. There's always a tuner around in the house. I'll tune one more time. G's in tune, C's in tune, E's in tune, A's in tune. So just giving you a first taste of this. I'm going to obviously need to spend some more time with it and just enjoy this ukulele. This is a gorgeous ukulele. And sound-wise, you just have to get used to it. Every ukulele has its own voice. So I think you could almost already throw in a low G. If you have a sense it's a very trebly instrument, you could throw in a low G and get that lower sound. I like re-entrant tuning, though, on most of my ukuleles. Many thanks to Flight for sending me this. Many thanks to Flight for the opportunity to work with you and to record some videos with your instruments, as well as to write some things in collaboration with you. I really do appreciate it. So everyone, that is it. That's the unboxing of the brand new to me Flight Spirit Ukulele, concert size, solid acacia, electroacoustic ukulele. Thanks for watching. We'll have some more content for you in the future.